We finally know when It's Tough to Be a Bug is closing. The show will have its final showings on March 16th and officially close on March 17th. That's right, we're just a little over a month from this bug getting squashed. The Bugs Life 4D show is set to be replaced with Zootopia Better Together, and this new attraction is expected to open in winter of 25. We don't know what the show will be about yet, but it's going to have a new original song.
We are united together now.
The revamp shouldn't be too difficult and shouldn't take Disney too long. They don't really have to do that much. The exterior of the ride will stay the same. The queue of the ride should be pretty similar. Although, I would love to see some new fake Zootopia movie posters. Even the seating for the attraction could stay the same. The main changes will be putting in a new movie and swapping out Hopper and Flick animatronics. It's likely that the Hopper animatronic on the side of the screen will be replaced by Officer Clawhauser. I would like to see Judy Hopps coming out of the ceiling just like Flick, based on similar rethemed attractions and what's needed. I'm going to guess this show will open on November 19th. This would mean 1 week before Zootopia 2 opens in theaters. Are you looking forward to Zootopia Better Together? Let me know in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for more theme park news! Yay! I'm Sean, and I'll see you real soon.